Did the Supreme Court end birthright citizenship today? I'm Umar Reed, and I've been litigating cases in California for approximately the last 15 years. Birthright citizenship comes from the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment states that any individual that is born on U.S. soil is considered a citizen. The reason why there is a case pending in front of the Supreme Court is because President Trump signed an executive order seeking to end birthright citizenship. The specifics of that executive order is that if your mother or father is undocumented, he doesn't want to consider you a citizen in this country. How did the Supreme Court rule? The Supreme Court essentially punted. They didn't make a specific determination on whether or not the executive order is legal. The main ruling of the decision that came down today was whether or not these lower federal courts can actually stop enforcement of this executive order throughout the entire country. What the Supreme Court ruled is that they can only stop the enforcement for those that are suing, the individual groups or the individual states. So, with that in mind, the Supreme Court did not end birthright citizenship today. We don't know how they are going to rule in the future. It's more of a wait and see approach. This is going to probably cause a mess of enforcement throughout the individual states. The individual states and the parties that did sue are going to be able to stop enforcement, at least in the short term, until there is a broader decision made as it relates to the legality of the executive order. For the states and the parties that did not sue, it seems that Trump is going to be able to go forward with enforcement of his executive order. At least that's how I'm reading the decision that came down today.